Hello friends, good morning. In the previous lecture, we solved the question number first of exercise 3.2. Okay. Now we discuss the next questions of this exercise. Okay. Now the question number second is, on comparing the ratio of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or consequent. Okay? As we know, there are three conditions. If we have a pair of linear equations A1x plus B1y plus C equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C equal to 0, then if A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, it will represent intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. Now next, if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2, means parallel lines. Sorry, coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay. And A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2, parallel lines. Okay. Parallel lines. As it is discussed in previous lecture that if we have pair of linear equations A1 plus B1y plus C equal to 0 and A2 plus B2y plus C equal to 0, then if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then the lines will be intersecting lines, and if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 C1 upon C2, then it will be coincident lines, and if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, then it will be parallel lines as intersecting, coincident and parallel. Okay. So we have to give a pair of linear equations and find out that the graph of these pair of linear equations will be the intersecting lines, coincident lines or parallel lines. Okay. Now we see them one by one. The first equation is that 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Compare it. A1x plus B1y plus C equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C equal to 0. Here, which there? A1 is 5 and A2 is 7. 5 upon 7. Here. A1 is minus 4 and B1 is 6. Okay. We can have this here. This is A1 upon A2 and this is B1 upon B2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6. We see that here A1 upon A2 equal to 5 upon 7 and B1 upon B2 equal to minus 2 upon 3. We see that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Hence, the first condition, A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 means 5 upon 7 not equal to minus 2 upon 3. Hence, it will represent intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. Now, first of all, we compare the given pair of linear equations with the standard. After that, we take ratio of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2. First of all, we check first condition. If a1 upon a2 is not b1 upon b2, then it is confirmed that this pair of linear equations will represent an intersecting line. If a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 is equal, then we check that is c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 all will be equal, then it will represent coincident lines. And if a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, then it will represent parallel lines. Now we see the second one. This is first part. Okay. See the second part. The second part is that 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Clear? a1 upon a2 equal to 9 upon a2, b1 upon b2 equal to 3 upon 6, and c1 upon c2 equal to 12 upon 24. Okay? Now see that. 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 3 1 3, 2 6, 12 1 12, 12 2 24. a1 upon a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 equal to 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 equal to 1 by 2. We see that all the ratios are same, means a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Okay? That is all 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Hence, this will be coincident lines. Means graph of pair of linear equation B coincident lines. Okay? मतलब क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर कि a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2 सबकी वैल्यू क्या 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 है, सेम है. तो ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? एक कोइंसिडेंट लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके? नाउ वी सी दैट question number third part you will solve by yourself. We see the question number third. The question number third is that on comparing the ratios of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. As we know that if the pair of linear equations have solution, then it is called consistent. As we know that if the pair of linear equations have solution, then it is called consistent. If it do not have solution, then it is called inconsistent. Means two conditions. a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 and a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Means this is called consistent. Consistent. Have solution. If a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 इक्वल नहीं है तो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन पर करता है, हम जान चुके हैं. और a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 c1 upon c2 अगर ऑल सेम है तो मेनी सॉल्यूशन पर करते हैं। एंड व्हेन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस, व्हेन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस हैव सॉल्यूशन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड कंसिस्टेंट। एंड a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2 have no solution, have no solution, inconsistent, inconsistent। if क्या a1 upon a2 और b1 upon b2 तो क्या सेम हो, बट c1 upon c2 की वैल्यू क्या सेम ना हो, तो इस कंडीशन को क्या कहते हैं, जो हमारा इक्वेशन होता है ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं पॉजेस करता है, और इस कंडीशन में इसको क्या बोलते हैं, इनकंसिस्टेंट कहते हैं। ओके, इट विल बी इनकंसिस्टेंट। नाउ वी सी द क्वेश्चन और एक्सरसाइज। Okay, now we see the first questions of first part of question number 3. This is 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Okay, compare फटाफट जाएगी 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to standard form, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now we compare with a1x plus b1y plus 7 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now here a1 upon a2 means 3 upon 2, okay, b1 upon b2 equal to 2 upon minus 3 and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 5 upon minus 7. Now we say a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, because here a1 upon a2 is 3 by 2 while b1 upon b2 is minus 2 by 3. As a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 means this will be intersecting line, and if it will be an intersecting line it will have solution, and pair linear equations will have solution, then it is called consistent. Hence, this equation is consistent. Okay? Now, we see the other parts of this question. We see the third part of this question. 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y equal to 0. We can write as 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y minus 7 equal to 0. And the next one is 9x minus 10y equal to 14, or 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. Now, we compare these two pair of linear equations with standard form, that is a1x plus b1y plus 7 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 upon a2 means 3 upon 2 upon 9 we solve them? A1 upon A2 equal to 3 upon 18, 3 1 3, 3 3 18 means A1 upon A2 equal to 1 upon 6. Now, we compare B1 upon B2. Here, B1 is 5 upon 3 and B2 is minus 10. Minus 10. We see that if B1 upon B2 equal to here 5 upon minus 30. 5 1 5, 5 6 are 30. So B1 upon B2 equal to much upon 6. Is 1 upon 6 equal to much upon 6? No. The answer is not. 1 upon 6 is not equal to 1 upon 6. Means A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Here 1 upon 6 not equal to 1 upon 6. Means the graph will be intersecting lines. Means it has a unique solution. Means that it will be consistent. Okay? Now, the remaining parts of this question you will try. We will discuss the next question in next video. Thank you.